What's up, YouTube? We out here at a car meet. It may look like his dad, but it's not. I'm just got the camera view pointing towards that way because what? Can't zoom in. Okay. Oh, excuse me. But yeah, somebody. I think it's a canine training or something like that. But the dog is very responsive. But yeah, here we go. Here at the Crown Vic meet, you know, up here in Huntsville, Alabama.
Saving grace on it. I'm not sure. And that, like I say, Steven's one that built it. I just say, we're hating good.
And here's my car right here. Here's my buddy Trey's car. And Nick. Got another Marauder. But yeah, the reason why I got this video, like I'm recording this video right now, because we got a special guest. He's a famous YouTuber. If y'all know him, you know, if y'all subscribe to his channel, I need y'all to go ahead and subscribe to this channel. His name is Mr. Random on YouTube. Crown Vic enthusiast. Enthusiast. My bad. So speaking too fast. So yeah, but yeah, we out here the Crown Vic meet, and Mr. Random is like right here.
There's a black shepherd. I thought it was his. Right there. Oh, thank God.
Oh, that's Lord.
I got freaked out.
How low key you go? Oh yeah.
I had the lights on mine. I would be set.
Yeah, that's pretty cool. And that's Mr. Random truck right there. F-150. I think he's got the 5.0 liter in there, I believe. Oh yeah. Y'all need the Jeep from the war? They got it. It's right there. I can't zoom in, but hell, it's right there. Like, literally right there. But yeah, that's Mr. Randall out here. And his wife.
Hey, when you gonna do the tours this way? I'm in right, but it will be like an inch and a half. Oh, this color? Yeah. That's one of her favorite ones. So that's top favorite. That's low rider. Low rider. We thought your clothes.
Have you actually been? Apparently, nobody's been to my basement. No, I. Ow.
You have a tune difference? That's pretty cool.
I was hoping.
Oh shit!
I was hoping you'd say J Dog.
Fucking fight.
Yeah, that's spike.
Yeah.
Spike.
He gotta get his ass
You
beat.
go.
Oh yeah.
Hey, I gotta
You wanna introduce yourself on, you know, for YouTube?
What's up?
For the YouTube?
Yeah, man. This is what, the second year we're both out here today.
Oh yeah.
2020, it's getting crazy, but everybody still showed up. You get me? We got some awesome Crown Vics that showed up too. it actually just motivated me to try to get one and see if I can build one and have it for next year. So that's the goal, man. Hopefully I can have mine parked next to yours, you know?
Yeah, you got
And
it.
we can park them and just finally come out here with a Vic, man, instead of having to come out with a truck. But
Cheers.
it's all right.
Hey,
Next
it's
year.
still a Ford though.
Hey, right? That's good
Yeah,
enough. I got
Ford
it on
family.
my shirt too, so it counts. It counts.
Got to.
Yeah, but I think we're gonna roll out.
Okay.
Roll out.
All right.
We need to get a Taurus.
Hey. You're like, yeah. Say, what's your name?
My name's Mitchell.
Mitchell.
I own the 04 10th hour control Crown Vic.
Okay. Oh, the black one with the light bar? Okay. It's pretty nice.
Built from the ground up.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, that's what I'm doing to mine right now, so yeah.
I ran this all the way out. Hell yeah.
Oh, yeah, I gotta get one. Oh, yeah, what's going on YouTube, bro?
Hell yeah.
Let's do it.
My Slam Vic.
Shit, you know it. Sure, yeah. But yeah. My friend, she down there, she was like, well, am I gonna be like the loudest big, coming? I was like, nah.
You're not that loud.
You're not,
Are you the guy with the Vic and Huntsville car meets group?
Yeah, I recognize you from somewhere. From the car meets?
Yeah, I had a black one. I had a black one.
Oh, that's right.
Have you seen the new car?
so yeah, we out here.
Alright, you guys keep it a secret because I want to fuck with you.
And from the man himself, Mr. Random, So yeah, I'm about to go ahead and end this video. Y'all go subscribe to Mr. Random's YouTube channel. I'm gonna try to put it down here at the bottom, like right here. So, right there. Or, I don't know how to do this stuff. Right there. Or, I don't know. Y'all just gonna follow. Subscribe to his channel. So, I'm gonna go ahead and end this video. Like, subscribe, comment. We can always have these car meets, Crumbic meets every month. So y'all be ready if y'all are interested in coming in. Come on. Don't be shy. Show your faces. Show your cars. Any kind of car. So go ahead. See y'all later.